shit sitting in my lungs. Fed up, my little cousin don't change his way. He headed to the joint, I'm sorry. She gave me a STD, I fell in love with her mom. Oops. I told my mama about her, she judged.
Hold on, fuck that, I'm finna whip the cat, nigga.
Damn, you see this $5,000 carpet, take your shoes off at the door. So me, don't need no nigga to handle business for me, I can call blood. He was doing too much talking, they went to the library, put up his paperwork. They pulled up on him, asked him what this about. His shit started hurting. Damn. They kicked his ass out of population, he can't do no more work, can't work out.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 1K back with another vid.
A few moments later.
Great way to start the vid off, you know what I'm saying? We about to start this bitch right now. Got the dog shit out, whole lineup, speed running lineup. Hold on. SS, ATSV, 5.0. John. We locked.
You made that motherfucker. Got the big head, I feel like Obama. And I'm shooting K's out Hondas. Pull up in that Hummer truck and jump out swinging.
We back. Chris just got a new 5.0, so you know what I'm saying? We finna get right on the highway. Come on now. Good little POV. I want to line up with somebody. Let's get a run in. I got that pop. Oh, ow! That shit loaded shit. God. Line it up. I'm itching. I'm trying to line it up. I'm trying to, you feel me? I'm trying to work the wheel. I'm trying to work that wheel, you know what I'm saying? These boys can't catch up. You see, I'm over here. I'm just a lonely child. Let me chill out. Yeah, bro, these boys didn't come on. Let me pull the address up. That boy Chris, that 5-0 so hard. We got caught. Shorty out the window. So much going on. Yo. Oh my God. Christ, dog in the beat. Yeah, peace. Yeah, peace. Dog the beat, peace. Y'all, Peace don't ever want a dog to beat, man. He bought a V8 for a reason. What a dog these old, you know what I'm saying? Here might go with these curves. We got a Camaro, pussy. Yo, his whole car is swinging, bro. Locked in now. Man, we trying to record a POV, man. Fuck up out of the way. Yeah, peace. Yeah, peace. Yeah, peace. Yeah, peace. We don't play with the stock cars, nigga. Man, we playing all these RTs, man. Come on, get the RTs out of my way. RT. Shit ain't time on. You look, I can't get on that fucking bumper. Get the fuck out the way. Nigga Mike can't keep up, nigga. Where he at?
Where he at?
The murder twins, nigga. Murder twins, nigga.
That's 700 weak as shit.
Come on, nigga.
You don't know how to put
That shit
down,
garbage,
man.
nigga. That shit garbage. That's garbage. Just pulled up to the meet though. You know what I'm saying? Once we hop out of the car, we might do a little lap, you know what I'm saying? See what shit talking about. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up in a bit. Y'all, the meet just got shut down, man. Alright, y'all. We about to be on the way to the slide spot. I'm not gonna record on the way there because we gonna be chilling. But we for sure finna get the bend in the cars, you know what I'm saying? We just gotta get out of the Fed area, you know what I'm saying? We in the enemy territory right now, so I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get out of there, you know what I'm saying? Nah, nigga, we ain't stalled. We did that shit on purpose, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga? Park the V, nigga. Hold on, fuck that. I'm finna whip the cat, nigga.
Oh, yeah,
I'm finna whip the cat, nigga.
Hey, you want AP?
Yeah, let me get AP, hold on.
Oh, damn.
Come on. Nigga, this bitch is a boat, bro. This shit heavy as shit.
Show him the wrist.
Hold on.
Wrist on the SS.
Ah, fuck.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. That's gonna be the end of the vid. You know what I'm saying? We dog the V's. Good little POV. Good little slide session. It's always something good. You know what I'm saying? If y'all watching this, I appreciate y'all for 1K sub, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We smacked that bitch a couple days ago. I'm gonna pick y'all back up in the next vid. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for watching. Gang, 1K out.